Hello, David here, and the project for today is to provide you with an update on the welding lens that I did a video on about a year ago, October 2023. The video is called "My Welding Helmet Almost Blinded Me," and what I did was I started up a weld and the auto darkening lens wasn't working. It turned out the battery was dead. This is a Harbor Freight model 91214. I don't know if they still make these things. It's a nice helmet. So I went to replace the batteries and I found out that the original lens in the helmet doesn't accept batteries. They're soldered in. So I kind of had to pry the case open and found out what was going on inside. And I set that aside and I picked up this auto darkening welding lens on Amazon, not a sponsor. This is made by a company called Nduun, Nduun, and it had more sensitivity controls and it worked good when I first got it. Anyway, fast forward a few months, a buddy of mine came over and he wanted something welded, and when I set up and started welding, the lens did not darken and it flashed my eyes, and I think the battery's dead. I didn't have any batteries around, but luckily I saved the old lens. It's still on the helmet now. And the old lens, what I did was when I took the battery out, I don't know if you could see it in there, but I soldered the wires into a battery tray. So now I have a replaceable tray where it's easy to replace the batteries. On this one, I picked up a 2032 battery. Consider myself pretty lucky that I saved that lens as a spare, because I'm able to flip it over pretty quickly. And also when my friends come over, they want to watch me weld, I have a spare lens where they can view through the lens. Get that thing over. You know what I think happened? I think since I hardly use the lens, I have a feeling that there's a parasitic drain. Okay, I'm trying the low battery button and the light's not coming on. Do I have it in backwards? Flip it around and put it in the other way. No, I'm not getting anything. So I have it on high sensitivity, minimum delay. I'm holding it up to the studio light. Nothing's switching over. Maybe I should turn the switch on. Okay, that's off. That's on to the darkest density. No, not switching over. Okay, I'm going to consider this Nduun welding lens a failure. I'm going to recommend not to get it. First, let me check the voltage on this battery. Okay, voltage is a little more than 3 volts. That should be plenty. Why's it taking so long for this to spool up? Not only did the new batteries test out okay, the old battery is coming in at 3.3 volts. So there's nothing wrong with the old battery. Try it again. Let's turn this light on. Okay. Switch is on all the way. Nothing. Play with the switch a little bit. Well, something happened there. But it didn't stay dark. Try these settings. Settings doesn't affect anything. Let me try the test. When you hold down the test, you get some darkness. Let me try the density setting. Density setting's working, but it's not turning itself on. Suppose if someone wants to watch me, they could hold this test button. I don't really trust this thing. This is worse than the original lens. Glad I got that original lens working. I'm going to have to give a big thumbs down to Nduun. What a waste of money. Anyway, I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.